Hey, it's Dr. Amanda with StraightSmile Solutions, StraightSmileSolutions.com, and we've expanded some of our class offerings at StraightSmile Solutions. This is kind of some indirect affiliates that we work with to help to supplement what we do. So just to review, StraightSmile Solutions helps doctors one-on-one with their orthodontic cases, any system. Doesn't matter if you want Invisalign, any type of aligner system, any type of braces system, any type of phase one system, any type of expansion system, etc., etc., etc. But a lot of times doctors are looking for something a little more in depth. And although we have a lot of resources, we have a digital Straightwire class where you can learn how to do braces from the comfort of your own home. Everything we do is digital. So we have done some in-office courses, and sometimes we'll work with other teams and other companies to do some actual destination stuff. But for the most part, all of our stuff is digital. So if you're looking for one-on-one, the actual experience of going into an orthodontic office to learn something hands-on from an orthodontist, yes, I am an orthodontist, but I don't offer that experience. Can't offer everything, right? We partner with a really good friend of mine, Dr. Rishi Popat, who I've known for a very long time. He is the smartest orthodontist, way smarter than me, like super smart. Went to Harvard. He knows everything. Super friendly. He has an amazing and very convenient office in Phoenix, Arizona, only like 10 minutes from the airport. Great parking, nice area. It's an orthopedo office. He has tons of space, and he welcomes you as a doctor, as a licensed dentist, to come and shadow him for the day, for an hour. You can also send your staff to learn things from his staff. So he offers a lot of really cool experiences, and you can customize that experience, whether you want to watch him fit and cement expanders, learn how to do RPE, learn how to put on braces. Now, you won't actually be doing it because you're not licensed in Arizona, most likely, but you can watch him do it and supervise it. So he will customize this experience for you. You guys will pick out a date that works for both of you, and he can get that kind of patient in his office. And he has tons of patients, right? So I think there's really nothing else out there like that. Super awesome. As well as he can even, he has a lab as well. So he can show you with his lab technician how to make hollies, how to do 3D printing. Oh my goodness, so much stuff you can do. And he even offers, I kind of cropped this out, as you can see, and this is on my website, StraightSmile Solutions website. So you go to my website, StraightSmile Solutions, and you go to classes, and you'll see Rishi Popat's classes. Now, you're not paying me, you're paying him. I just happen to be affiliated with him because it supplements what we do. So, and sometimes we do collab and we offer classes together, but at this moment, because of COVID, we kind of put a pause on that. But in any case, also another cool thing he does is he does advanced orthodontic procedures like expose and bond and TADs and things like that. These are not things that we offer at StraightSmile Solutions. We kind of do the easy to moderate stuff. If you need advanced help, you go to him because you have to go in office. I can't teach you that stuff remotely. So he'll even teach you how to do the expose and bond, ligation surgery, how to engage the canines, etc. So I think his fees are very reasonable, I think, for either you, the doctor, or the staff. And if you go through my website to sign up, you actually get a really affordable rate. So definitely check out what he offers. I highly, highly recommend it. All right, thanks so much.